Having a bad smile or having something wrong with you that you're not comfortable with can ruin your health.
On a scale of 1 to 10, my worry before ClearChoice would have been a 15. I wasn't myself. There wasn't anything in life that really brought me joy.
I think I noticed that I was eating softer foods, especially out in public, and hoping that one of my teeth weren't going to break. It was mortifying.
I was not able to chew and process the food in order for the food to digest properly, and it further caused, more health conditions.
The doctor told me, you have some serious periodontal disease going on in your mouth, and if we don't fix it, you're gonna lose not only your teeth, but your bone density is gonna continue to decrease.
I didn't realize before ClearChoice that there was a link between my health and my dental situation.
It's rare for our patients to come in knowing that there's such a link.
Realistically, the body is intertwined. All our systems work together. And the mouth, that's the way in.
The most important oral health issues that you need to think about are gum disease, cavities, tooth loss, and especially bone loss.
Their causes are different, but oftentimes their treatment's the same, where we get to a point where we can't preserve the teeth anymore. We need to actually replace them. And in doing so, we can make things healthy again.
When you lose a tooth without replacement, you end up losing that bone. But you never want to get to a point where you're just too late. So take advantage and try to do something sooner than later.
So it's estimated that in adults, somewhere between 30 and 50% of adults have periodontal disease. The way I would explain it is our mouths have millions of bacteria, and in health, the gums form this tight collar around the teeth that prevents the bacteria from entering our bodies. But with periodontal disease, what it means is the gums become inflamed, which means they're more permeable to bacteria entering. Why should we do this now? Is because dentistry never gets better. A lot of patients think, I've had bad experiences in the past, I don't want to deal with this now. But the problem with dentistry is those infections, you may not feel them, but they are getting worse.
On top of that, the motivation that we get when we are able to smile healthy, when we're able to be pain-free, when we're able to eat the healthy foods that we want, also contributes to that better lifestyle, better attitude, and overall a decrease in any medical risk with regard to other diseases in the body.
When you truly believe that health starts with overall oral health, then you make sure that whether or not we are the ones to help you, you need to get help because it's going to impact your health. The amazing part is when we actually see our patients come back after having the procedure and they say, I have this renewed sense of energy. I feel so much healthier.
Oh my gosh, what a difference. I can eat the foods that I desire and be able to enjoy my life. Go get yourself educated, make the appointments, and see what is available for you, because there are certainly a lot of choices out there to better your life.
The minute I saw the commercial was absolutely the change of my life.
If I could go back in time and talk to the old Lisa, I would tell her to be healthier and happier much sooner.
It's very important that if you have people that you love in your life, in order for you to be able to provide for them, you need to make sure that you're healthy enough to do that.
I did wait too long. I wish I would have had this process done in my 30s. It's never too late. It's never too late to take care of yourself.
It is not too late for us to be able to help our patients and to transform that situation into a healthy outcome overall.
What we do every day is we want our patients to have the best quality of life. And I truly do believe that it does start with having health. It starts with being able to have confidence in themselves.
I even have a granddaughter that wants me to will her my teeth when I die because she said I have the nicest looking teeth that she's ever seen.
It's never too late to go get help.
What's the cost of not being healthy? Come see us. That's the most important first step to getting your mouth healthy, getting your body healthy again.
I feel a lot healthier. I feel a lot more confident, more self-esteem. Just very happy.
How could you not with that great smile you have now?
You have nothing to lose by just sitting at home and not doing anything, but you have everything to gain by coming in the door and just finding out what are my options and how can I do this for myself and make it affordable.
I think it was 2013, I invested some money and I bought a Snap-on Smile. So I spent about $3,000 and did top and bottom Snap-ons. It was just a temporary solution until I found something else that really worked, and that was permanent. They lasted about 4 years and then they started to deteriorate. They broke in half. Parts of them were missing.
There is a cost in not treating, and there is a price that you pay in choosing to just continue to leave things the way that they are.
When people say, oh, you can get them done cheaper someplace else, yes, you probably can. But money shouldn't be an object that holds you back from your life. That certainly was worth getting my life back.
Obviously, dental implants are an investment, but personally, I can't think of any better way to invest than on your health. And I think it's important for our patients to know that when they come in the door, we do take the investment that implants are very seriously.
It's an investment in you, it's an investment in your health, and it's something that's going to be permanent.
There was no issue, there was no pressure at all with ClearChoice. They didn't pressure me to make my decision. I made my decision.
This to me is more about healthcare, and it's about having experts provide treatment that is beneficial to the health of a patient.
Better health, better smile, the confidence that I get from this, the absolute joy. I was like, why did you wait so long?
If I would not have done ClearChoice, I probably would have spent $20,000 to $30,000 in dental bills caused by bad hygiene.
I spent a lot of money out of my own pocket on dentures, getting teeth pulled, partials. Go into ClearChoice. They'll help you. Think about how you're gonna feel afterwards.
If you're on the fence, the answer is just go and start that conversation.
They're not only gonna give you back this beautiful smile, but they're gonna give you back confidence, your self-esteem.
It's a free consultation, so you can just start the ball rolling and have that conversation, and it could change your life.
This is what ClearChoice did for me. They gave me my teeth back, but not only that, they gave me my life back.
I am so thankful for ClearChoice that they care enough about people that feel like I do. And I just wish more people knew about it.
When you get to ClearChoice, the worries dissipated. They went away. They melted away like butter in a pan.
Don't wait as long as I did. Get off the couch and just go call and make that appointment. You don't have to decide then and there if you're not sure, but go get all the information and know that they can change your life.